In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by a specific column in Google Sheets. Sorting your data properly can make a spreadsheet much easier to read and work with, especially when you are managing names, dates, numbers, or any list that needs to be organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to sort your sheet using a specific column, while also keeping your header row in place so your column titles stay visible and don't get mixed into the sorted data. To begin, the first thing you want to do is freeze your header row. This is a very helpful step because it keeps your titles at the top of the sheet while you work. To do that, go to the View menu at the top, choose Freeze, and then select one row. Once that's done, your header row will stay locked in place, even if you scroll or sort the rest of your spreadsheet. This is especially useful because it helps prevent confusion and makes sure your headings remain easy to reference. Next, move your cursor to the top of the column you want to sort by. You'll want to hover over the letter of that column, which appears across the top of the sheet. For example, if the data you want to organize is in column B or column C, place your mouse over that column letter. As you hover there, you should see a small downward arrow appear next to the column letter. This is the menu you'll use to access sorting options for that specific column. Click that downward arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose either Sort Sheet A to Z or Sort Sheet Z to A. If you select A to Z, Google Sheets will arrange the data in ascending order. That usually means alphabetical order for text, smallest to largest for numbers, or oldest to newest for dates. If you choose Z to A, it will sort in descending order, which is the reverse. That means text will go from Z back to A. Numbers from largest to smallest, or dates from newest to oldest. Once you click your preferred option, the sheet will automatically reorganize based on the values in that column. This is a quick and effective way to bring order to your spreadsheet and make your data easier to analyze. Just remember to double-check that you are sorting by the correct column before applying the change, especially if your sheet contains several related rows of information. Thanks for watching.